Hi, I'm Beth Torgerson. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Chief at Legrand rAVe, and this is our Chief Velocity outdoor pedestal system. This is our new mount for outdoor digital signage, and it's used primarily for QSRs for their drive-through menu boards. It's also used for wayfinding applications on large campuses, whether it's on a college campus or a large corporate campus. This is a modular design, which means that an end user can start with a single display and easily change it up to a double or a triple display. So if a fast food restaurant wants to expand their menu, it's very easy to go from a single to a double or a triple. It's very easy to install. It's a two-person installation. And this mount is compatible with LG and Samsung 55-inch outdoor rated displays. For more information, visit legrandAV.com.